Hi, this is Samuel Mobiles and this is an unboxing of a Galaxy S3 on the Orange Network UK. So that's basically the box that it come in, all the bits on the back. That's basically it. Okay, let's undo it. Let's have a look inside. I've got the white one, a few orange leaflets and my orange micro SIM. There's the actual phone. Looks very nice. Let's have a look what you get in the box. Instructions, headphones, well yeah, with volume up and down, very nice. Some earphone plugs, charger. Oh, so it's got the pull out pin on it, which is good. I'm sure you just pull that up. Yep, there you go. And that slots into there. Very nice. USB plug, battery, and that's that. I will be doing a lot more videos on the Galaxy S3 over the next few days, so subscribe if you want to see some more videos on how it's working against the iPhone 4S. Not that it shouldn't be too much of a competition really. This should smash it, but we will see. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and goodbye.